Ready for a deep dive? Let's talk cleaning. How to get that sparkling clean but surprisingly green, eco-friendly clean.
Sounds great. I'm excited to dig into this.
Me too. We're going to uncover some really clever cleaning hacks, those little secrets that the pros use, and of course, the best eco-friendly solutions for a sparkling clean home. And the best part, I bet you already have some cleaning superstars just sitting in your pantry.
Absolutely. You'd be surprised what you can do with just a few simple ingredients. We're talking about ditching those harsh chemicals and opting for gentler, more sustainable options. It's amazing how effective everyday things can be for tackling grime.
Right, like everyone's heard about using baking soda and vinegar for cleaning. It's a classic.
Yeah, it's a classic for a reason.
But it's not just for middle school science fair volcanoes, right?
No, definitely not just for volcanoes. Baking soda and vinegar, they're like the dynamic duo of the cleaning world.
Okay, tell me more. Why are they so great?
Well, baking soda, for one, it neutralizes odors like nobody's business, and it cuts through grease like a champ.
Oh, that's good.
And then you've got vinegar, which is amazing for dissolving mineral deposits like hard water stains. It's a pretty good disinfectant, too.
So what kind of things can we clean with this magic combo?
Oh, so many things.
Yeah.
Clogged drain. That's their time to shine. You just sprinkle some baking soda down the drain, follow it with some vinegar, watch it fizz. It's very satisfying.
Yeah.
And then flush it all down with hot water. Clog, be gone.
Oh, it's so satisfying when that happens. I love that. It's like a science experiment in your sink.
Exactly.
Speaking of satisfying, what about those really caked on messes in the microwave? Those are the worst.
For those, we turn to the incredible power of steam cleaning. And you know what's a great way to steam clean your microwave? A lemon.
A lemon? Really?
Yep. Just microwave a bowl of water with some lemon juice in it, and the steam will loosen all that stuck-on food. Plus, it freshens things up in there.
Okay, that's genius. And it smells amazing. Now tell me more about this whole toothpaste as a cleaning product thing.
Right. I know it sounds crazy.
It's not just for your teeth.
Nope. Toothpaste could do way more than just clean your pearly whites. It actually contains mild abrasives.
Oh, right.
And those abrasives can buff out scuffs on your shoes, your walls, even tarnish silver. Have you ever gotten those like really annoying water rings on your coffee table or something?
Yes, all the
A
time.
little dab of toothpaste, a gentle rub, and poof, gone.
Okay, this is blowing my mind. I'm definitely trying that later. I have some water rings with my name on them.
It's a game changer.
So those are some amazing cleaning hacks, but honestly, sometimes the hardest part about cleaning is like just getting started, you know?
Oh, absolutely. It can feel so overwhelming.
So do you have any tips for how we can make the whole cleaning process, I don't know, just a little bit less daunting?
Definitely. I think the key here is to work smarter, not harder. Ever heard of the 2-minute rule?
That sounds vaguely familiar. Remind me what that is.
It's super simple.
Mm-hmm.
If you see a small mess that can be cleaned up in 2 minutes or less, just do it right then and there.
Oh, that makes sense.
It prevents those little things from piling up and snowballing into a massive cleaning project later on.
Okay, I need to get better about that.
Yeah.
I'm the queen of putting off those tiny tasks, but 2 minutes. Even I can handle that. Any other time-saving tricks up your sleeve?
Absolutely. One word. Zone cleaning. Instead of trying to clean your entire house at once, try focusing on deep cleaning just one area or zone at a time. So maybe this week, it's all about tackling the bathroom, and then next week, you can move on to the kitchen. It helps you break down the task and makes it feel much less overwhelming.
That is such a good idea. I love that. Zone cleaning it is. What about those everyday things that we all have lying around that could be repurposed as cleaning tools?
Oh yeah, I love a good cleaning hack with everyday items. Like, have you ever tried using a carpet squeegee to remove pet hair?
Wait, on the carpet? A squeegee, you mean like for my shower door?
Yes. It sounds strange, but trust me on this one. That rubber blade is shockingly good at grabbing fur that's embedded in carpets. Like, way better than a vacuum cleaner on its own.
Okay, now that's a game changer. I have to see this to believe it. This is why I love these deep dives, always learning something new. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about eco-friendly cleaning products. I want a spotless home, but not at the expense of the planet. You know what I mean?
Of course. And the good news is, you really don't have to choose. There are so many easy swaps and DIY solutions to make your cleaning routine a whole lot greener.
Like what?
Well, for starters, did you know you can whip up some really amazing all-purpose cleaners right at home?
Yeah, I've seen some of those recipes online, but are they really as effective as the stuff you buy at the store?
Honestly, they can be. And way cheaper, too. For a basic all-purpose cleaner, you really just need vinegar, water, and a little bit of Castile soap. And that right there can tackle most household messes.
Really?
Wow,
Wow, so you think you know. What about if you want to add, some germ-killing power? Or make it smell nice? What do you do then?
easy peasy. You can add a few drops of tea tree oil, which is naturally antimicrobial, or just go for a fresh scent like lemon oil. It's all up to you.
I am all about that. Okay, so we've got our DIY cleaners, but what about all those single-use cleaning products out there? Any good eco-friendly alternatives?
Tons. One simple switch is swapping out disposable paper towels for reusable cloths, or even just old t-shirts you can cut up. Ditch those plastic scrubbers for bamboo brushes and compostable sponges. They work just as well, and they're way better for the environment. These small changes, they might seem insignificant, but trust me, they really do add up to make a real difference.
So true. Okay, last but not least, let's talk laundry. Do you have any tips on how we can green up our laundry routine?
For sure. First things first. Dryer balls. Ditch those dryer sheets and switch to dryer balls. They're reusable, they can actually cut down on your drying time, and they can help to soften clothes naturally. And speaking of natural, think about switching to a plant-based laundry detergent. They are gentler on your clothes, gentler on your skin, and of course gentler on the environment.
Love it. Anything else?
Oh, one more thing. Try washing most of your clothes in cold water. It saves energy, and it can actually be better for certain fabrics, helping prevent fading and shrinking.
Genius. Okay, this deep dive has been amazing. It's incredible how many simple swaps and clever hacks we can all use to get our homes sparkling clean without resorting to harsh chemicals or harming the planet. So, for everyone listening, here's something to think about. Could simplifying your cleaning products actually lead to a healthier and more sustainable home for you and your family?